have a few words to address the court, to put on the record about what you're not doing, Judge, and that he's getting away with these things. And I think just to protect that record and have a final say before he started his case, assess for us, if you would, how you think the prosecution has done in terms of the evidence presented, the strategy to prove to this jury beyond a reasonable doubt that this is the defendant who injured 61 people and killed 6.
I think they've done a great job, but they're having to do two jobs. And that is, right now, Darrell Brooks is holding the nation and the viewers hostage while he attempts to, through this court procedure, absolve himself of the responsibility of mowing down those people in the parade. And I believe his legal argument is that he either was not there in his mental state or that his feelings are hurt, that the nation is upset that he did this. And so we've got a judge who is allowing him free rein, and that's part of the problem. So the prosecution, Judge Ashley, has to not only try the case and prosecute this defendant, but they also have to save us. So someone needs to save the viewers and the jury from this absolute spectacle. And right now it's not the judge. It's not Judge Darrell, although I would like to ask her to step in. I'm sure these judges are viewing, how we're perceiving their job, and it's a tough one for this judge. But someone needs to regain control here. And if we get to watch Darrell Brooks just talk about all of the draining and the emotions that he has about having to go through this case and answer the questions of whether or not he was in that red truck and whether or not he knew he was murdering people when he drove about 25 miles an hour down Main Street on November 21st. If he gets to talk about all of his feelings throughout the case, then the prosecution should be given a lot of leeway in how they ask him those questions. So the prosecution has to be both the judge and the prosecution in this case, because I believe Judge Darrell is giving way too much leeway to this particular defendant.